Basically, for an asset lease facility in the public transport sector, sicele ukuthi i-promoter i-demonstrate ukuthi i-already operating. That is to say, thina sing-IDCE si-finance an already existing operation. Lokusho ukuthi sikuthengela imoto yesibili ekuchubeka kubheka phambili. More so because siye sithande lokubona i-capability ukuthi uyakhona ku-operator the public transport business sustainably. So because we are a financer, we need the assurance to see ukuthi the business is legitimate, compliant, iphindze financially viable. So kwekuqala sikuthengela if you are already in the business or you are already in the operations. So lokho kwesikwendela ukuthi sikhona ukutesta ukuthi you have the expertise, you have the knowledge, you have vast experience on the industry of the public sector business. And lokho khona ke we don't buy second hands, we only buy new assets, and we give you a duration of 4 years to pay up the loan. Lokunye lokuye kube khona kuba ngile road transport permit, which gives you the authority to operate kuma specific routes. Usually ke ukhanze ukuthi lama operations abaka2 kunama cross border nala local. So kulama cross border, what usually happens is sithinge incwadi, a letter confirming the promoter ukuthi affiliated under lama associations la khona ema transport businesses. We have BOSITA and the likes. So lokho kusita kuthola kubona lokho ukuthi when you are recognized under that affiliation. Number 2, lokuye kube lesikudzingako kuba ngama bank statements. Usually we say we require a 6 months bank statement to check if financial discipline nema revenues akho la generate on the business. Just to check lo ukuthi business iyabhanga yini, because usually repayments zethu abadure debit order. So nas check the bank statements ayasitshela lo ukuthi cha the installment will be covered kulama credits noma lama cash outs lo wabhanga wona on daily basis. Number 3, lesidingako siye sidinge i-business plan and cash flow projections lokuyi overview yale proposed asset ukuthi itawusebenza njani. Lokho khona kusinika sithombe emcondo lokuthi nasikuboleka whatever amount esikuboleka yona, usually ke kulama amounts IDCE ukepha ku 500,000, and then the rest of the money that le overlapha kulebala ngetulu iqhamuka nawe as a promoter as a contribution. That is to say, when you borrow you money for asset lease, especially kule public transport, ndawubekisa ikakhulu ngamakhumbi, sikuboleka sigcine ku 500,000. The rest of the funds, the rest of the money le overlapha kulebangale ngetulu iqhamuka nawe as a promoter, iserve as a contribution. With 4 kuba ngema annual financial statements. Remember sitsite sikuboleka noma sikuthengela i-asset nangabe you are already operating. Shothi uyaexista. So siyawathenga annual financial statements, or nawungawuhlanganisa umnyaka kuye kube ngama-management accounts, just to check lo ukuthi i-performance status ime kuphi, how is the business performing, ime kanjani in that regard. Kwesi-5 lesiye sikudinge it's a valid tax clearance, just to check ukuthi uya comply nema obligations ERS. And then kuye bese kulandzela ema KYC documents. Lo ngoba siyadinga ukuthi as a promoter we will need to know you, so siyadinga i-certified identity card, sitting in a proof of residence. So kunatshell esikudingako nesengakubala nje in point form esikudingako for IDCE ukuthi aku-finance ku-public transport sector, kudingeka ukuthi ube existing and shorting it's an already existing operation onayo imoto lonayo yosebenza ngayo. That's number 1. Number 2, kube it's the valid road transport permit. Nangabe ku cross border kuba ne letter le confirma ukuthi wena affiliated under a certain road transport affiliation or association or a regulatory body. Kube business plan and cash flow projections. Lengikhulume nayo ukuthi is an overview of the proposed asset ukuthi itawusebenza kanjani, how is it going to operate, imali itayakha based on logo kuba based on the permit itself, nokuthi ama routes ale permit leyo ke athini, uhamba how many times in a day, na bus fares athini. So the calculation yale revenue iba lapho ke. Kube ngama bank statements where we test i-financial discipline yokuthi imali uyayibhanga, imali ngekusebenza kwayo isebenta iyadinaka na not a business. Bese ke kuba ngile valid tax clearance nema KYC documents. Thank you.